Erosion control, stream corridor restoration, watershed management, forest and vegetation management, and wetland restoration and preservation. Emergency service action that protect people and property during and immediately after a hazard event. Include warning system, emergency response service, and protection of essential facility. Structural project, except that involve the construction of structure to reduce the impact of a hazard, includes dams, setback levees, hot walls, retaining walls, and safe rooms. Mitigation activities. The following are the activities of mitigation. Recognize and monitor disaster risks. Make a plan for participation in disaster management, providing disaster awareness for local residents, identify and recognize the source of disaster threats, monitor the use of high technology and management of natural resources, supervise the implemental of spatial planning, oversee environmental management. Principles in mitigation. The following are the principles of mitigation. Disaster that occurred are lessened when the next disaster occurs. Need cooperation from various parties. Implemental activity must prioritize vulnerable groups in the order to avoid more casualties. It must always be monitored and evaluated for effective result. The various participants needed in disaster mitigation effort are the follows. Understand the natural disaster can be predicted and interrelated between one disaster and other, so it needs to heal evaluate continue disaster. Prevention and treatment if a disaster occurs. This can increase performance of disaster. Socialization, counseling, and education. Some communication might not be able to access information about disaster. Therefore, the duty of government official is not to conduct socialization to the public. The extension material are the same as in the dissemination of information. In addition, disaster mitigation in also include the disaster education curriculum. Early warning. The early warning is the useful for giving to surprise victim and loss due to disaster Indonesia, which are coordinated by the National Disaster Management Agency and the Regional Disaster Management Agency in accordance with presidential regulation nor IC of. So far there are three steps of action that can be taken as priority are distinguishing human from the source of disaster, discharging source of disaster from human, living in harmony with the threat of disaster by utilizing and developing science and technology, and managing local wisdom that is reasonable or effective to apply.